Alright, so real quick, I was waiting on Elf to have their 50% off sale, and they decided to have their sale right after I ordered this stuff because I got tired of waiting on them. So I went to shop Miss A. Well, y'all know everything is $1, honey. So real quick, I'm gonna bring y'all close because I can. I went to shop Miss A. I got approximately 35 items for $35. Let's get into what I got. Now, some of these things are duplicates of what I have already, so don't be like, oh, girl, you already seen, showed us that. I know. Let me make sure y'all try to correct it. That's just disrespectful. Okay, I hope that's better. But don't be like, girl, you just showed us that. I know I did, okay? I buy in bulk because I don't like to run out of nothing. So let's get into what I got. So, sometimes I do my own eyebrows. You probably like, Key, you shouldn't. But girl, I'm on a budget and I will. So I got these because sometimes I need to go in and shape it up. And these were $1. 3 for $1. So I got 9 of these for $3. Who winning? She is. Alright. This, I probably didn't have no business getting. Probably didn't. But I was like, what the hell? I ain't got nothing better to do. These are for masks. When you are putting your, I don't even know how to open this. That's how deep they go. When you are putting on your facial stuff, like your mask stuff, instead of using your hands, you can use one of these. So you're just gonna do this and do blood and do that. Okay. So I mean, you probably like, girl, you don't need that. You could have just used your hands, and you're probably right, but it was $1. Why not? The next thing is I have sponges on top of sponges, and not those type of sponges, makeup sponges, that is. So, real quick, I got different type of sponges. I got this cute pink one. Let me see. The camera lights are trying to wash it out. Shame on my camera lights. All right, hopefully y'all can see that. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So, I got a couple of those shapes. I ain't gonna take them out the package. Hopefully y'all can see through the package. I got this oval shaped one. It's flat. I got a bunch of them, y'all. I got another oval shape. I got this mini beauty blender. Hopefully you can see it. It's really small, and I think I will use that for my under eyes. Cause I've been concealing the heck out my face lately. No makeup on, just concealer where I have certain flaws. This one is a Wonder Blender. I'm gonna take this out because you can't really see this one good in the packaging. But I thought that was really neat, the shape of it. So I got that. And these were $1, so I know they're not gonna last long. Here's why I bought them in bulk. And I don't really wear makeup like that anyway, so they'll probably last me a lot longer than the average person that wear makeup every day. Another flat oval shape. I don't even know what the oval shapes are for. I just bought them. This one was a weird shape. I got it too. Don't ask me what I'm gonna use them for, because I'm gonna use them for whatever I want to. I don't go by makeup rules. I go by my own. But yeah, I got that. I have another mini blender. Y'all can see that. Focus. I have I don't know what kind of blender this is. Let's see. Oh, another blender. You probably like, dang, Key. Oh, look, I was on a mission, honey. A couple of more of the of those blenders. Yeah, I can't take all these out. This will be a long video. A pink teardrop type blender. This, I don't know what shape that is, but I got another one. Another one. I'm on some biggie stuff. And another one. And another one. Okay, y'all don't judge me. And these probably like, dang, girl. Okay, and I got a bunch of these. I use makeup wipe removers. They are just easy for me. I also use a cleanser for my face, but when I need to remove my makeup, these just work for me. So I ended up getting like 15 of these. So here you go. They are the AOA Studio Makeup Removing Cleansing Cloths, and I did get, hopefully you can see that. Let's see if it'll focus. I did get unscented just because I didn't want nothing scented on my face. And like I said, I got 15 of those. But I can take them out the box now because as soon as I get off the camera, I'm going to put them up. Child, I got a lot. And you probably like, Key, why did you buy so many? Okay, here's the thing. I don't like having to buy stuff over and over and over again. I feel like if you buy in bulk one good time, it should last you up to 6 months to a year, depending on how many you buy. This will last me, the makeup wipes will last me 6 months, maybe. Yeah, 6 months. The makeup sponges will probably last me 2 to 3 years because I don't really wear makeup like that. I'm not a makeup girl. When I do wear makeup, I like to have the proper tools. So yeah, and I like the sponges better than I like makeup brushes. So it just fit me better. Is my camera trying to tell me that I only got 6 minutes? Yeah, give me a second. But like I was saying, I had to switch to my other camera. Like I was saying, I like to buy in bulk because I like to not have to buy things over and over constantly. So therefore, if I can buy everything at one time and don't have to buy stuff for a while, that's typically what I do. The sponges I won't have to buy for, like I said, 2 to 3 years. The makeup wipes I won't have to buy for at least 6 months. So I think I'm doing good. And yeah, I don't wear makeup. I concealed this because y'all know that this is a dark pigmentation, and even then you can still see the darkness kind of coming through, but I kind of evened it out just because I am not a makeup girl, not a makeup guru, not a makeup girl. As you can see, I don't even got none of my lips, my eyes. I didn't even do nothing to my eyebrows, child. I just came on camera the best way I knew how, which was me, because ain't nobody be you but you. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here because I have another video to shoot, actually. Another haul for you. It's not a haul, it's a unboxing. So get ready for this neat unboxing. Did not know this was coming, so yeah. All right, guys, remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember Simplikeii is always going to tell you you're beautiful. And if you have not checked out Shop Miss A, please go check them out. They are located in Dallas, so if you stay in Dallas, baby, hit up Shop Miss A in the mall and go get all this stuff that I'm getting online, because you right there. You need to be getting it anyway, child. You right there. What's your problem? Me, I got to order it online because I'm in Houston. I mean, I could drive 4 hours, but I'm not driving 4 hours just to go get this stuff when they could just ship it to me. It take 2 days, maybe 3. But yeah, if you're not here to Shop Miss A, definitely go check their website out. They have amazing things, not just makeup. They have like accessories, sunglasses. I be seeing some of these accessories in like certain stores for $5, $6, $7, $8, $10, and I will not buy them because I know I can go and Shop Miss A and probably get the same thing. My shades, all my shades come from Shop Miss A because I just refuse to pay $7.99 or $10 for a pair of shades when I can go get a pair of shades from Shop Miss A for $1, and my shades still gonna be looking just as dope as them $10 shades that somebody else done paid for. Call me cheap, that's all right. She's saving coins. All right, I can talk to you guys all day long, but I'm gonna get out of here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.